Pharmaron is a multinational chemical company. We provide services to the pharmaceutical industry all around the world. We have sites in China, North America and here in the UK, specifically in Cardiff, and we provide a specialist service to help drug discovery. We've got a fantastic workforce here. People have been working in the business between 30 and 40 years. I myself have been around for 28 years. We've got young people coming into the business who are extremely enthusiastic, coming from local universities, and we've had some really great successes recruiting locally. We've done really well at recruiting. We recruit from all over the UK and Europe. We've also recruited locally. We've got a really good reputation as an employer, and it's a really exciting field to work in. For me, Cardiff's a really attractive city. It's quite small, so we can get into the city quite often. If we've got meetings in the city, we can walk, we don't have to get in the car. We've been well supported locally as well. We've got good business networks for our particular field, and that helps as well. We've been assisted by Cardiff Council over the last 10 years. They've supported us in establishing this site, in making contacts with both local government and also the Welsh Government and regulatory authorities as well, to allow us to do the work that we do. We've had financial support, and also members of Cardiff Council have given up their time to support our activities.